Well, hi everybody. I have a special guest today, so to speak. I've come down to see Elune, who is a Darwin Albino, of course, and believe it or not, she is the same age as my girl Amaya, and way bigger than Amaya, which may be a bit hard to tell with her laying in there, but I can see already that she's much bigger. She's been giving her mum a bit of a hard time with the old biting scenario at the moment, for whatever reason. You know, girls will be girls, I think, sometimes. But I am going to endeavour to get her out, and we will see how she goes, I guess. I don't particularly want to get bitten either, but I'll watch her body language and go from there. So I'll be back once I've actually got her. And I think I need to change my battery because, yeah, it's going a bit flat. So we got little Missy out, though I use the paper towel because I don't feel like going home with a bite on my hand at all. And now you can see her in all her glory. And you will see just how much bigger. Not that she wants to unwind from my hand so much. Just how much bigger she is compared to Amaya. I can't believe how much bigger she is. And yes, I'll say it again, they are the same age, unless I got fit to. I don't know. But, and her colours, you know, Amaya is, yeah, nowhere near got the colour in her that Elune does. But hopefully, you know, a few more sheds with Amaya, because every time she does shed, you see it a little bit more. But Amaya, Elune, Pani, like, my goodness, has certainly coloured up. And I'll try and get her head to you closer, just so you can see her freckles. She's got beautiful freckles on her head, which, of course, snakes don't like to stay still, as we know. They just want to explore and do their own thing, which is exactly what Elune wants to do. She's like, yay, let's play and have a good time. But yeah, she's grown and she's gorgeous. And why did she bite you, Rayne?
I wish I bloody knew.
Rayne thinks she's starving. She's hungry. Yeah, I guess snakes will tend to do that when they're really hungry, but I don't think Elune's starving.
Definitely not. She gets one hopper rat per week at the moment.
Well, yeah. She'll probably be looking at a wiener though very soon, by the looks of her girth here. Actually, her girth isn't much smaller when I look at her to say Maya, and Maya eats extra large wieners and knocks them back like they're little fuzzies, basically.
Time for my bub to go up a size then. What do you think, Elune?
There we go. She's actually staying still. You're posing for the camera. Very good.
See if we can get those freckles.
Yep.
There we go.
Well, good close-ups. What are you doing? Deciding, oh, maybe she's comfy. Maybe she's not sure of the camera.
She loves sitting on my phone.
Ah. So there you go, guys. While we're here, I'm not going to not get a little bit of filming done with Elune, and she's due for a feed tonight. So yep, she's going to have a full belly, and Rayne said that she'll be due to come back into shed very soon as well. And that little pink tongue going at 100 miles an hour. So what I'll try and do, guys, is I've done this with Elune, and I will get Amaya out, and I will do a little one with Amaya, so that, yeah, I know it's very hard to compare, but I guess you'll get a pretty good idea just by my arm and her on it as to how big she is. And I'll try and get Amaya in the same position for you, so you can just see what I mean about Amaya still being a little one. So guys, I'll be back, and the next time will be with Amaya. Ciao. Yeah, she's getting bigger. If you can see her. She's growing and growing. It's hard to put a length on her when you're just sort of sitting here, but she's getting there, and she's very much due for a bigger enclosure, though she fits snugly in where she is, and I know that she's quite happy in there, but little Pani needs something bigger too now. So Amaya's going to lose her snug little home and give it up for a Pani to go and live into. Take care of your family, and take care of your snakes. Ciao.